guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your straight hair into curly hair literally overnight. We're going to start with clean hair, of course. I'll be using the Suave Lush and Coily with Natural Shea Butter and Pure Coconut Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Start by parting a small section of hair, then apply a liberal amount of leave-in conditioner to the hair. Hold the base of the hair and start twisting it until you reach the ends. We are now going to do what is called a Bantu knot. Wrap the twisted hair around the base of the root while continuing to wrap it all the way around until the end of the hair is not visible. Use the same pattern to do your twists and Bantu knots. Don't worry about perfect parting, since the partings won't be visible in the end. All the Bantu knots are completed and ready to dry. You can hair dry them or use a hair dryer, since that's much quicker. The hair is now dry and I'm going to untwist the Bantu knots. To do so, just gently pull them towards you to untwist them. As you can see, the hair is perfectly curled. Pulling them out is so much fun. I could do this all day. Now for the extra fun part. Doing the fluffing of the curls. I use my index finger to split the twist in two. This makes the hair look fuller and helps to conceal the parts, the scalp. I'm using a pick comb to give it more volume. And I'm careful not to comb out those beautiful curls we just created. Now we have a nice set of curls, but I'll continue to fluff up the hair some more to make it look even better. Look at those curls. They're gorgeous. I know you love those too. gonna fix the front of the hair, give it a little more, you know, jazz it up, make it look more stylish and nice. And there goes your beautiful curly hair that you did overnight. You can rock that hairstyle anywhere. If you want to go to work, wherever you want to go, special occasion, that hairstyle looks so nice. I hope you love it too. Comment down below, let me know how you like this hairstyle and if you'd like me to try other styles. Thank you for watching. Once again, click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you like to see more of these content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!